everybody. I hope you're doing good. I'm going to read you a book called Noisy Train. And Emmy the dog is here too with us. Noisy Train. This is Noisy Train. Noisy Train is very noisy. He likes to blow his whistle. Toot, toot. He likes to blow it very loudly. Every day, Noisy Train saw the sheep. Toot, toot, said Noisy Train. Hello, sheep. Every day, sheep gets annoyed. Bah, bah, said sheep. What a noisy train. Every day, Noisy Train saw Sheepdog. Toot, toot, said Noisy Train. Hello, Sheepdog. Every day, Sheepdog got annoyed. Woof, woof, said Sheepdog. What a noisy train. Sheep and Sheepdog went to see Noisy Train. You are too noisy, they said. Stop blowing your whistle. Noisy Train was so sad. I'll stop blowing my whistle. The next day, Noisy Train saw a sheep, but he didn't blow his whistle. Sheep was very pleased. Bah, bah. That is so much better. Then Noisy Train saw Sheepdog, but he didn't blow his whistle. Sheepdog was very pleased. Woof, woof, he said. That's better. But then Noisy Train saw the lambs. The lambs were on the track. Oh, no. The lambs must be moved, said Noisy Train. I must go get Sheep and Sheepdog. Noisy Train flashed his lights. He puffed his steam, puff, puff. But Sheep and Sheepdog, they didn't come. I will have to blow my whistle, said the Noisy Train. Then Sheep and Sheepdog will come. Noisy Train blew his whistle. Toot, toot. He blew it very loudly. Sheep and Sheepdog came running. They got the lambs to move off the track. Bah, bah, said Sheep. Woof, woof, said Sheepdog. We're glad you are a Noisy Train. Thank you, everybody. I hope you're well. Emmy right here saying hi to everyone, and we hope to see you real soon.